No more balls.
Oh no!
So guys, we're on our way to pick up charcoal kasi pinakapon namin siya. Spay and neuter project has conducted a low-cost kapon drive here, no? So we grabbed the opportunity kasi overdue na si charcoal for kapon dahil napapansin namin gumagala na siya and I think naghahanap na siya ng kamit. Wala ka ng balls. What? Ayan, napakapon na namin si charcoal. Masaya kami na madaming nagpakapon dito sa area namin.